Hey guys, it's Izzy Vicky Beauty here again, and today I wanted to show you guys how I did this look here. It's very like cranberry-ish because it's like Christmas time, so I'm like all up in the reds right now. But also because I wanted to review this. I got this big Boxy Charm. This is the Luxe one, so I'm really excited to show you everything I got in there and tell you, you know, how I created this look. In all, I will say that I am very happy with the you know, the upcharge that they have for the Luxe one, because I'm really happy with everything that I got in there. So you'll see later in my video everything that I got, and I would totally recommend this if you have Boxy Charm, or even if you don't have Boxy Charm, that you get this Luxe one, because there's so much good stuff in there, and for the price it's like a steal, and I love good deals. So I just have to tell you when I find a good deal. So this is a really good deal for like everything that's in there, like the price of everything, like what they say it's worth. It's actually really good. So it comes with this little like pamphlet thing, and it shows you everything basically that's in there, and then like what it is, and then the price point of it now, like normally. And let me just tell you, total price of everything is like over $200, and it's only an extra like $35 plus the 20 or whatever it is monthly. So for $55 you're getting over $200 worth of stuff, which is amazing. So if you want to see what I got in my box and everything that I did to get this look here, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I am gonna get started, and I'm gonna first open up the Luxe brush set. This is the complete face set, so I'm gonna be opening that, and I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. I already did my face and my eyebrows. There's no foundation in this box or any like eyebrow stuff, and I also did my bronzer. So a couple of the things that I got in the box was this Glam AF bag, which is so cute to like carry. I would carry this out like if I wanted to like, you know, hang out with my friends. I would take this. It's so cute. It's black and it's gold zipper, and then it came with this Crimes of Beauty, and it's actually a power bank for your phone. It's 1,000 milliamps, which is how much time, like how much battery power it has, and it comes with this right like built into it, like right here. You take this off and you can just charge your phone with that, so you don't have to carry like any extra cables around. So it's pretty cool. Not a lot of battery power, but I mean, if you just need to take that one real good selfie and your phone is on 1%, this will get you there, honey. So yeah, that's pretty neat. And then I already put my moisturizer on, and I got in the box this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine cream. So it's an anti-wrinkle cream. It smells really good, and it's like really lightweight, so it doesn't make your skin feel like sticky or anything like that. So I like it. Yeah, it smells really good. So we'll see if it actually gets rid of my wrinkles after using it for a couple times. And then the other thing, this right here, so it's so cute. It looks like a little star, but it's a sponge L, and it's like a body buffer, and it smells amazing. So it just place a sponge underwater and squeeze to absorb the water, and then massage in circular motions to clean skin, and then squeeze out excess water after each use. So it's like a sponge, and it smells amazing. So can't wait to try that. It's really cute too. So that's another thing I got in my Boxy Charm Luxe. And yo, I literally just lost my flat iron. I have no idea where it went, and I never take things out of my house like those kind of things and then not bring them back home. I can't find my flat iron, and I don't remember taking it out of the house, so I don't know where it went. But I got this. It's a Girls World PYT, and it's 100% ceramic mini styling tool, and it is so cute. So it comes in this little like pouch, and then you like open it, and there's a cable. And look at that. How cute is that? It's like super small, but I think that it's gonna work amazing. We'll see. But this is like perfect for like travel. If I just blow dry my hair, so this is my hair naturally, I just blow dry it, but see how it's like funky looking, like right there, see? Yeah, so all I have to do is just kind of like flat iron that, and it'll be like, oh, she just straightened her hair, it looks so good. I'm like, yes, but no, I really didn't. So this is perfect for on the go. So I'm really excited to try that one. And then the other things that I got, I'm actually gonna be using my video. So first thing I'm gonna start with is my eyes, just because I've already prepped them. So I got the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, and it's hashtag my holy grail. I don't know if that's what it's called or not, but maybe it is holy. Yeah, maybe it is. That's what it's called. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand, or I don't have anything by them, so I'm excited. And it's all like neutral colors, really, really pretty. And the names are amazing, like On Fleek. So cute. How you doing? Those of you who like Wendy. Hashtag Thanks a Latte. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna be using the brushes that I just got. And then these are the brushes here. They come in this little stand thingy, which I won't keep, but yeah, they're pretty cute. So I'm just gonna start with this one here, just to do my all over shadow. And then I'll start with Thanks a Latte, and I'll just put that on my upper lid. And I'm going to go in with the color Transition, and I'll just put that right below Thanks a Latte. Going with Are You Kidding Me? This color right here, and just blend, and I'm using the same brush, and just blend that color further into my crease. That's created a really nice transition just on my whole lid. So I'll go in and just make it a little bit deeper, and I'm going to go in with the color Teddy Bear, and I'm going to do that right on the outside and the inner corner. Just leaving it like a little like halo effect right there. I want to do more of a red color on my eyes, so I'm going to do the Cranberry Splash as a shimmer, but just to kind of mix it in, I'm gonna do Wine and Dine, just kind of blending the dark brown into that Cranberry Splash color. Okay, so then I'll just go with the color Cranberry Splash, and then I'll put that right in the center of my lid. I'm just gonna use my finger. And that's gonna be my eyelid look. Now I'm just gonna use whatever's left on that brush and just kind of smoke out the bottom lash line. Now that I did that, I'm gonna go in with this flat brush that also came in the kit. And I'm gonna go with the color Wine and Dine and just really line my waterline. Luxe brush, and I will take in the color Cool Beans just to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone area. So now I'm going to take in this palette. This is Brush and Highlight. It's so cute. It's Wanderess, like wilderness, and it's Dusk to Dawn. So we're going to try it out. There's one highlighter and then two blush, but they're very shimmery. So I think I'm going to go in with Tuscan Rise to start out with, and then I'll just kind of maybe do Havana Nights a little bit after, like on top. I'm gonna use, actually no, I'm gonna use this brush. It says for highlight, but I'm gonna use it for blush. So starting out with the Tuscan Rise, and I'm gonna put it right in my cheekbone area. For anyone that's afraid to use blush because you think you're gonna look like a clown, that's a perfect color. It's really, really light. So now I'll go in with Havana Nights because it's a little bit more pink. Oh yeah, you can see that one. And I'm just gonna go in a patting motion all over. These are really pretty. They have like shimmer in them, so your highlight is gonna be like extra poppy. This is actually a Pro Precision Face, so probably like for foundation. I'm gonna use it for my highlight. So I'm gonna go with the color City Lights, and I'm really gonna dust that off because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really intense. pretty much for my face. I did also get this Lorac Pro Lash Pomade in the color Black. And it's basically mascara. So I'm going to put that on after I come right back from putting my setting spray on. I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. There's like a curved brush. All right. Lastly, I am going to put the Tarteist Pro Lip Paint in color Strike Gold. This was also in the box. I'm gonna line my lips first. And that is my all-time favorite. I love Sarai in ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and this is in the color Curvy. That's my all-time favorite lip liner. And now for the topper. That smells like chocolate. So that's going to be my final look, guys. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.